So we're building this unit for a customer, and it came to us as a stock chassis, and we put the SwapLoader on, put the Tarp system on, all the hydraulics, and we still have to put a plow on the front and put a spreader on the back. So it's kind of a universal truck for our customer. So I'm still in the process of mounting this, but this is the hitch for the plow itself. The plow's still outside, but once I get everything shimmed properly and adjusted properly, then I'll go out there and get the plow and mount it to the front of the truck.